Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm just doing a brief unboxing. I know a lot of you collect journals the same way that I do. There's this company that I have been buying stuff from for a while. I've done a couple of reviews from them. It is from Australia, which is why this box, I think, looks like somebody beat it. I'm trying to open it without killing myself here. So basically the company is called a Quirky Cuff Collective, and she makes absolutely divine, beautiful journals. And so this should be another journal from them. Oh my god, it got wet and everything. Thank god the journal is in a plastic covering. But as you can tell, these little things, they dissolve when they get wet, so they're hard and crunchy instead of soft and poofy. Hello, you're amazing. Just thought you should know. Thank you so much. Thanks for being so patient. That's funny. She sent a coupon, but it's expired because it actually took that long. But I understand. I mean, she does not control the shipping. It is what it is in these times. So I'm just very carefully opening the edge. I do have a very pretty consistent journaling practice that I do on the daily, basically, and so I do like to splurge on myself with little journals. So 180 lined pages. I didn't want her planner just because I have so many that I've purchased. But this one is the same cover as her planner. It's very beautiful. So we got the moon phases. We've got flowers, and they look like Luna moths, and this female person on a mushroom. It says, so 22 is what it says. We've got a beautiful spine. And on the back it says Once Upon a Time. I really love it. The edging is gold. When you open it, the adventures of me, so cool. You have like basically lined pages, the little mushrooms on the corner. So the one I have from her now has little moon phases in the corner. And then it ends with The Magic Continues. Just beautiful journals. I love the journals that I have with her. I keep all of my journals. I'm on my 12th journal right now. 12 in about 4 years, so I'm going through them probably once a quarter, and so this was going to be just really nice for my collection. Anyways, I thought I'd share with you guys Quirky Cuff Collective. Sidoni's got a really pretty collection of journals, which I have every single one, and I highly recommend her to you. So I'm going to leave a link in the description below, and as always, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys soon.